guys? Are you down there investigating Bella? Come on. Oh, there she is. Come on. Oh, what are you doing? These are Areli's kittens. There's Areli's brown boy and Areli's snow boy. And down here, all bristle brushed, is Areli's snow girl. Ooh, there's the two snowballs. Hey, crazies. Come on. This is the... Hi, there's the girl. Whoa, right here's the boy. Hi. Get him. Get him. Hey, snow boy. Hey, snow boy. You guys don't have names yet, do you? Oh, your sister tried to sneak up on you. You're being pretty cute. Hi, crazy. Get your tail. Get your tail. Now, see, in the last video, you guys weren't in your playful mood. Now they can see what you do when you play. Get it. Get it. Oh, there's the two boys. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. There's a little girl. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you guys playing soccer? You guys playing soccer? Come on. Get it. Oh, that's a bigger ball to play soccer with, huh? He almost took it away. Are you taking it away? Did you catch yourself a bird? Did you catch yourself a bird? Oh, get it. Get it. Oh. Hey, Bristle Brush, are you checking Bella out? Are you checking Bella out? Wanna play soccer? Get it. Good girl. Hey, baby girl. Can you play soccer? Give me the ball. Give it back. Give me the ball. Give me the ball back. How about this one? You want the big one? Your brother does. You gonna get the big ball? Hey, pretty girl. What are you doing? Are you checking out Bella? You like Bella? Bella! What are you girls doing? Are you still playing with the bird? Are you still playing with the bird? The doggies are going crazy. Hey, did you guys figure out a way to get the gate down? Are you guys more clever than we think, huh?